Good afternoon, everyone. What a wonderful sunny and cold day in Baltimore. It's around 35 Fahrenheit here. This is our third generation fever scanning technology, Fever 1 Model 1100. We are introducing a new patented technology called OPX in this model. I'm going to demonstrate what is OPX and why do we need it. It's a long story. To cut it short, in last summer, we sold more than thousands of Fever 1 all over North America. As winter sets in, many of the installation locations, especially in northern side of the country and in Canada, we saw temperature drop below 20 Fahrenheit almost regularly. Reliable measurement of skin temperature is almost impossible at that cold. And that's not the end of the trouble. Almost all of the units are installed at the doorways. Most of them have glass windows or doors allowing full sunlight falling on these units. Why this is a big challenge to any thermal screening? Because all the thermal scanners are IR sensors measuring infrared radiation from the skins. You see, right now the ambient is 35 and when I'm scanning Kevin, it's coming around 87, 88 Fahrenheit. The reading is almost meaningless. And that's what most of the people who are using handgun in winter, that's what they're going to get it. You know that. So what's happening here? You are having a reading that is affected by radiation from the cold molecules. Now, Kevin, would you please scan your hand in model 1100? Great. You can see that not only the device scans in 2 seconds, we are getting close to 95 Fahrenheit, which is what is our normal body temperature. Now, Kevin's skin is probably much colder than 95 Fahrenheit, but thanks to the OPX technology, the reading is correlated to his core body temperature, which is great because at the end of the day, you want your core body reading to be measured because skin reading is what you can measure, but fever is not your skin temperature. Fever is your core body temperature, and that's what the OPX technology does. So basically, it's a combination of additional sensors and some edge AI algorithm that manages the low ambient as well as high ambient, cold as well as hot weather. This model is also available online in Amazon, Google, and many other e-commerce stores.